Okay, in today's lesson, we are going to create a countdown timer that allows users to set a time and count down to zero. So let's get right into it. This is my HTML page. So I'm going to bring out the structure of my HTML page by typing HTML and then you click on HTML5. So next, let's change this title and call it countdown timer. Then we'll link our CSS page to this. So let's put it within our body. We'll need an H1 element. Then we'll say it's a countdown timer. We need an input tag that we'll call a number. Um, let's just give it an ID name of say minute input, minute input. Let's give it a placeholder and we'll call enter minutes. Okay, we need a button. Um, let's say we'll give it a start, and then we'll give this an ID name called start button. Okay, let's say start count down. Then we'll need another div container to display our output. All right. So I'll give this an ID name and call it a timer display. All right. So this time around, we're going to be making use of the internal JavaScript. So internal JavaScript. So within our JavaScript, we'll be having some simple code to make possible our timer countdown. Okay, so let's display this. Let's preview and see how it looks. Okay, so where are we having this problem? Okay, so this is it. All right. So next, let's do some filing for the body. Let's choose our font family and keep it an area. Let's align the text to the center. We can change the background color to gray. So let's say F4, background color. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next, let's work on our H1. I want to give it a margin top of 20 pixels. Now let's work on our minutes. A minute input. You can give this a padding as a 10 pixel. You can give the width to be 100 pixel. You can give it a margin right, not up, and call it 10 pixel. And I'll start button. Let's give it a padding and call it 10 pixel. I think we are good to go. Okay, let's work on our display. On our display, let's see what the name is. Final display. So we can say we can give it a a 20 pixel. Let's give it a bother so we'll see what we are doing. We'll delete it later. Okay. The font size can be maybe 50 pixels. Then we'll make the color to be, say, white. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. So straightforward. Let's go to our script writing. So let's say we say let our count down interval. Okay, down by interval. So let's access by HTML, get element by ID. So we say start button. Then we add an event listener to say when we click, kindly perform this function that is within the curly bracket. So say minute to be document dot get element minute input get whatever you put inside here will be stored in here. So then next we declare another variable called end the time. So we say call the date for us. New date dot get the time. Then add it to minutes and multiply by 60,000. So now say countdown interval should be set to an interval, and then we now call the function inside the curly brackets cost, which is now new date, and we have a cost give us end time, subtract now from it. So if the time that is left is less than or equal to 0, then we say clear interval count down count now, and then get document that gets element by ID, which is timer display, and display text content to be times up. If not, which is else, we're gonna have minutes choose randomly for us now. second left, choose this. So if I add to here now, okay, okay, it's not supposed to be here. So this is all we need to run our countdown program. So let's try it and see if we add. Let's say we're adding one, just one here. That's it. If you look at it, it's not properly displayed well. So can we change this color to maybe something red? So let's see. So this is how to design a countdown timer using our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.